Hello everybody, how are you? I am Naresh and you are teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is Pervaz Inc. wrote down its inventory to the lawyer's replacements value. The effect on perverse accounting equations includes and check all that apply. Option A decrease liabilities. Option B increase in assist. Option C increase in stockholder of equity. Option D decrease in stockholder equity. Option E increase liability. Option F decrease in assist. The correct answer of the question is D and F. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel until next question. Bye bye.